Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So I have woken up very early, I've had a shower, got everything sorted and I think I'm ready. The taxi is picking me up very soon, so I'm gonna have to be waiting at the door, but I'm really sad. No one's here to say goodbye to me. I said goodbye this morning when I was half asleep to everyone, but yeah, I'm heading back to Lincoln today. It sucks because at 3 till 6 I have a lab session. It is a forensic lab analysis practical. I can't remember what we're doing. To be fair, I need to read up on it, to be fair, before we do it, because I think it's on the system. So I need to do that on the train. But yeah, I'm getting a taxi soon and I'm just going to wait outside and fingers crossed it comes on time, because I've only got one train that I can go on, I'm pretty sure. I don't think it's like an off-peak ticket. And yeah, I'll be heading back to Lincoln. I'm very sad to be leaving my family, excited to see the girls, and I will see you when I get to the train station. So my first train was delayed, which made me miss my second train, so I'm sat at Nottingham station and have to wait here for an entire hour until the next train can take me to Lincoln. So yeah, that's great. I'm still going to be back in time for my lab session, which is good, but I just won't be able to chill. I'm gutted because I just wanted to just sit for a little bit and chill, because I feel like I've just been constantly on the go this weekend. I just wanted to have some time to sit down on my bed or just watch something for like an hour, but I'm not going to have time now. I'll probably just find somewhere at the station, Nottingham's quite big, to edit some videos or something on. That's all I can do really, because I'm having to wait here for another hour, wasting time. It's so typical as well. When I mentioned, I think I commented back to one of you guys saying, oh, I've never really had any problems with trains before, so it's typical that this has happened now. I shouldn't have said anything. And everything's a bit stressful, but I reckon I'll be back on time and stuff. I just thought really sad. The train, the level barriers went down just as an ambulance was going to go through, so oh, it just makes me sad, because it could literally be like those 5 minutes that the barrier's down could be so vital, and it just made me really sad. And that's why I hate the level crossing barriers in Lincoln. That's one of the biggest things that I don't like about Lincoln. Okay, so I haven't spoken to you all in absolutely ages, because obviously the train delay caused a massive issue and I'm finally back. I've just had my lab practical, which was actually really interesting. Like, I find that stuff interesting. I know not, all the practicals aren't everyone's thing. I really enjoyed it. It was a forensic lab analysis practical and we're getting assessed on our practical next week, so it was like it gave us a chance to practice all of the techniques and ask any questions before the actual real thing next week. I'll show you all my notes when I get back to the flat and I'll explain what we did a little bit more, but we basically examined an item again and had to draw what the exhibit looked like. We had to test for blood with the Castle-Mayer test and lots of other things, so I'll explain a bit more when I get back because I'm out of breath. Right, so I've just got back and I thought I would show you what we've just done in my practical. So we got given this scenario, or not a scenario, it was like the circumstances of the exhibit we were given. So it was basically a J-cloth that had blood, a piece of paper that had drugs in and fibres on. Obviously it's a bit over the top because they wanted us to detect different parts of the exhibit and test them for different things or observe them under the microscope. So we got given this scenario with our package, and this is the lab submission form, and you have to sign it to prove that it was in your possession and the continuity was maintained. This is the index sheet, which I showed you, I'm pretty sure, last time I did one of these lab sessions, and this kind of just pinpoints the main parts of the examination and where you'd find the diagrams of the exhibit and stuff like that. And then this is where it starts. So you literally copy exactly what's written out on the exhibit packaging and what's labelled on it. You literally write the exact minute you do everything in the 24-hour clock. So we did the examination. You kind of explain the visuals, what you see in the packaging. then you have to sign and date all the pages like I've done down here, and then you slit the packaging as minimal as possible to avoid like anything falling out or making as much damage as possible, making as little damage as possible basically. Then we drew some sketches and diagrams of what the exhibit looked like once it had unfolded, because it was, the J-cloth was folded inside the packaging and we couldn't see anything. And then when we unfolded it, we found like a large stain, and then we did like the rear view of it as well. And same again, when it was completely unfolded, we had like a stain. There was a piece of paper that was folded that ended up containing like drugs. We wrote out all the dimensions of everything. There was also 4 fibres as well that were visible, and we did test them. We did the KM test, which tested for blood, and we found out that was actually blood that was used, because you can't just assume it because it's red. You have to just say that it could be potential blood. And then we photographed the images. We weren't allowed to take the photographs. I was going to try and steal it from my scrapbook, but that didn't work out. And then we have then we had to package the fibres and just any contents in plastic bags so that they were secure. We used Entolin and poured that to create a slide, and basically observed the fibres. And you have to use a control as well, so I had to pull my own hair out. I had to pull my own hair out as a control. We did that, and then we measured the width. We had to like calibrate the microscope and all that boring stuff, and then we completed our examination. It took just under 3 hours, or 2.5 really, because me and the girl Tasha, who I was doing it with, completed it pretty quick. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you so you have a little bit of an insight into what a practical session is like for forensic lab analysis. But obviously this completely differs for all of my different modules. And yeah, my lab book is full of sheets. I also went and picked this up from the post office earlier, and it's like this huge box, and it's full of so many things from secret weapons. And I basically wrote a post for the very thing and won £250 worth of stuff from secret weapons. And I didn't choose any of this, it was all sent, so I need to have a proper look at this later. But it's all like lingerie stuff. This is the wash bag. There's like a nudie bra, anti-static spray, twinkle toes, invisible toe cushions. There's loads of different things. There's like nipple tape, bra clips, loads of different very useful things actually, especially when you have tiny boobs. So thank you very much, Secret Weapons, for sending all of that. I really need to look through it all because I've only just sort of sifted through everything. There's quite a lot of things in there as well. So yeah, thank you very much to Secret Weapons for this. So I've just been chilling for a bit. Megan has come round, and me, Megan and Hattie have just been chilling in the kitchen for a while, and we had dinner. Now we are about to do our workout. We're doing an ab workout today. Lots of people I've seen on social media have been using the Blogger Latte's YouTube channel to do like workouts and stuff, and I think we're going to try one of their ab workouts, maybe their 10-minute one or something, and do it twice. I'm really excited. I'll let you guys know what we do, because I had a few questions on Snapchat and stuff asking what video we used and to put the link. So if you do want me to like link whenever we do a workout, let me know and I will put it in the description bar every time we do one. And I think I'm gonna try time lapse us, unless we look a bit weird, because we are gonna be on the floor and we're not all comfortable in ourselves at the minute completely. So I'm wearing my Herbalife top that they gave me. It's really comfortable and it's really warm, obviously, because it's long sleeved. I haven't done exercise in the last 2 days, I think it is, and I actually really want to feel the pain. So it is the following day, it's a Wednesday, and I forgot to end the vlog last night, so I thought I'd carry this on and be like a 2-day vlog. We've just got ready. It's about 10:30, I think, or just before 10:30, and we are going to another cafe from the list we have of all the different cafes we want to go to in Lincoln, and it's called the Angel Coffee House, and it looks really nice. It's not too far. It's pretty much on the high street, but on one of the side roads. On one of the side like roads off. So we're going there today. I'm going to film when we go inside because it looks really nice. That's the plan, and then I'm not really sure what we've got planned for the rest of the day. I know that Hattie and Megan have like one of their like psychology studies they need to go to, and I will probably be filming, so I don't know how much I'm going to film today, but I just thought I'd add it at the end of this vlog because we are going to a new coffee house and I want to remember it. And you guys also seem to like it whenever we go out for food or drink or whatever, because you see like a bit of an insight into what you can do at Lincoln, as I know a lot of you are coming in September. So yeah, we're going to the Angel Coffee House today and hopefully it's nice. I don't know if we're going to get brunch or what's going on, but you'll find out. Quick, rate the Angel Coffee House just so we have it on memory.
4. What the hell? You
didn't have anything.
The atmosphere.
4 out of 10.
Oh, I was doing that 5.
Oh,
Wait,
that's why I was confused. Right.
Yeah, I was doing that 5. So.
Out of 10, I'd say like 7.
Yeah, I'd say 7.
Yeah.
6 or 7.
Yeah, 7 because it's quite small in there, but then it could be a good thing and a bad thing.
Small menu, small actual place. The chai tea latte wasn't hot.
Yeah, she didn't eat anything, so I don't know.
But the actual crockery was cute.
It was nice, yeah.
Yeah, the atmosphere.
It was enjoyable.
Yeah, and the guy was really nice who served us.
How do I look like ants?
We're in Toys R Us because it's shutting down and we just want to have a look and relive our childhood.
Did you ever have Game
Sorry,
of Life?
Bop It.
Did you have Game of Life?
Yes.
That was sick.
We still play that.
Same, but
sometimes.
I was so battered.
Game of Life. We've got, yeah, Bop It was my favourite, I think, like, as I was growing up. What else have we got? We've been seeing Sylvanian Families, Baby Born, Baby Annabelle, the Magic Tooth Fairy game. Oh my god, you had that. Was it you?
I did,
Yeah.
I loved it.
I was going to say, because I remember seeing it at your house. Zip lights. But shall we all buy one?
Never mind.
Shall we all buy a zip light?
That doesn't happen. You can just have like...
Oh, that's so shit. So we have just been to Home Bargains to get some stuff for our like Easter baking videos, and I think Megan's, I don't know if you can see her, she's all the way over there in the distance. She's walking back to her flat for a bit and I need to go back and edit my video for tonight, so that's what I'm currently doing. I'll show you all the stuff I got late in a minute when I get back home, because it's the funniest haul ever, like the most random things. Look how pretty the sky is tonight. Oh, cute, cute. Yeah, the sky looks really nice. I just wanted to show you what I bought from town earlier. So, no, I bought these from Home Bargains. So, I got 3 bunny ears for me, Megan and Hattie, because we're going to be doing some Easter baking on my main channel, and I thought it would be funny if we had ears, I don't know. And I've got some chocolate, which I've actually eaten a bit of, and this is, the majority of it though is to melt for one of the things that we're making. I also got some other things for decorations and to aid what we're making. You might be able to guess, but we have some fake digestives, some mini eggs, some cream eggs. We're making like 2 different things for the Easter baking, by the way. Some mini eggs, and then some pasta sauce, because I needed some pasta sauce. But yeah, all of that came to just over £10, which is pretty good, to be fair. So go to Home Bargains. Some people have never heard of it before because Hattie hadn't, but Home Bargains, you need to go there if you're a uni student. So we haven't really done much this evening. We've just been like watching High School Musical videos on YouTube. Just wanted to like address, a few people have been asking me on Snapchat if my university have been doing strikes. I know a lot of universities in the UK have been suffering with strikes because lecturers, I think, are getting, something's getting cut from the lecturers, like pension, I want to say. I'm not 100% sure on that, or they're I don't know the exact details, but it's obviously bad on the lecturer's behalf, so they are striking. Fortunately, I am getting the same number of contact hours a week. None of my lecturers are striking, and I'm so thankful for that, because I know some people that have like 2 or 3 weeks off with absolutely no lectures or contact time. I think they're getting reimbursed the money because obviously the lecturers have stopped teaching. University of Lincoln, for me, I don't know if there are any other lecturers in any other departments. I'm pretty sure Hattie's and Megan's are fine as well for psychology. I don't even know if any like lecturers in Lincoln are doing it, but I've seen over the country there have been a few universities that have been suffering and a few students that have been pissed off because their contact hours have been stopped. But yeah, I'm lucky enough to not have that currently, so I just thought I'd address that because a lot of you were curious as to whether as I did go home a little bit earlier last week. However, no, I just had some days off, and this week was supposed to be a reading week, and I have 3 like big lab sessions this week, and then I'm back to normal on Monday with a very busy week ahead. So yeah, just thought I'd address that before I ended the vlog. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow or soon for another uni vlog, because I think I'm going to do a lot of like study with me's and like day in the life of a student at this weekend, because my friends are both going home, so I'm going to be on my own for the next like 4 days. I think I'm meeting a couple people at the weekend, so you guys will see that when I do. But yeah, I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.